Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use headphones on Adobe Premiere Pro. First, make sure your headphones are securely plugged into your computer's audio jack or connected wirelessly. Then, launch Adobe Premiere Pro. Once the application is open, go to the top menu bar, click on Premiere Pro if you're on a Mac, or Edit if you're on Windows, and then select Preferences. From the drop-down menu, choose Audio Hardware to access the essential settings for your audio output. Within the audio hardware preferences, locate the default output drop-down menu. Here, you must select your headphones as the primary output device. Next, confirm that the sample rate is set to 48,000 Hz, which is standard for video projects, to avoid any playback issues. Finally, consider adjusting the buffer size to a value like 256 samples. A lower number reduces latency but might strain your system, while a higher number increases latency but offers more stability. After configuring your audio hardware, it's crucial to verify that Premiere Pro is indeed sending audio to your headphones. Look at the audio track mixer panel. The master track should show activity when you play your timeline. The audio meters will visually confirm sound levels. Start playing your sequence, and you should hear the audio clearly through your headphones. If not, double-check your system's volume and the volume within Premiere Pro itself, ensuring nothing is muted. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of Adobe Premiere Pro can often resolve minor glitches after changing audio settings. Also, always check your computer's operating system sound preferences to ensure your headphones are selected as the default output there as well, preventing any conflicts. For optimal performance and compatibility, regularly update your audio drivers. This ensures Premiere Pro can communicate effectively with your hardware, providing a smooth and reliable audio monitoring experience for all your editing needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.